Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, a cat can recover from eating chocolate, but immediate action is crucial. Chocolate contains theobromine, toxic to cats. If your cat has ingested chocolate, contact your vet urgently. Treatment may include inducing vomiting, administering activated charcoal, intravenous fluids, and supportive care. Prompt veterinary care increases the chances of a full recovery by mitigating the toxic effects.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.